One of the reasons experiential learning is so powerful, and perhaps one that you might not think of immediately, is it is fun. So I walk into the room, I go through this experience, and then I learn a whole bunch of stuff at the end. But the experience itself is fun. They might say, but Phil, fun is, we're in a corporate world, why should we have fun? We all like fun. And it is much more engaging to learn when we have fun than when we're asleep or slogging through stuff that just is not engaging, is not interesting. You recall in one of the earlier videos, I talked about experiential learning gets us viscerally. We get in, we get engaged, we just get excited about what's going on. And remember, experiential learning is an event where my reality is masked, which means that I can come into that experience and I can be an adventurer. I can be an entrepreneur. I can be a manufacturer. I could even be in the Old West. I could be a cowboy or cowgirl. But I could be anything. And in fact, in the Eagles Flight Experiential Library, we have a vast array of things. You can be a Scotland Yard detective. The point here is immediately transported into a different environment, a totally different set of paradigms. And it's fun because I'm stepping out as an adventurer heading across the frozen Canadian North. But embedded in that is all the key learnings. Now someone might say, okay, Phil, that's neat. And that's actually true. I would rather have fun at work. I would certainly rather have more fun in my training. But how critical is that to experiential learning? And I would personally say it is crucial. And I'll explain to you why. This is my effort at drawing a picture frame. And in here is a picture of Great Aunt Sally, or Susie, or Great Uncle Fred. We remember pictures. We remember things that we can see much better than we remember words. If I were to ask you to describe your living room to me, you would have a mental picture in your mind, and you would begin to describe that living room from the mental picture, not from some Wikipedia that describes in words your living room. It's a picture in your mind. Experiential learning, because of the power of fun, creates a picture in the mind of the participant, which then makes it memorable. And when you're in the world of training, if the training is not memorable, it's wasted. If it is memorable, it can be remembered, and then it can be applied. Because I can remember it for a long time, because I had fun creating a whole new environment, and I now have a mental picture of me crossing that great Australian outback, learning some key lessons, which I can then apply in the job.